Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Security Event 2023. I'm Gareth Harris, the Marketing Manager for Camo UK, and we're here at stand 4D20. I'm just going to give you a very quick overview of what we've got to show at the Security Event. So first of all, we've got our Camo Connect demonstration, cloud-based remote management system for automation systems. Then we've got a range of Camo KMS and Camo Entratec door entry and access control systems. Coming a bit further around, we've got a full range of barriers. We've got loads to show you. We've got the full range of standard, deluxe and premium operators. So we'd love to give you a bit of an insight of what we've got to show. Moving on, we've got, as part of our vehicular access demonstration, we've got some Camo Ozak road blockers. New on the stand this year, so we'd love to give you a demonstration of it. And then finally, on the main stand, we've got a full range of video intercom systems, which we'd love to tell you all about. And then finally, we've got a full stand dedicated to Camo Ozak and the speed gates and turnstiles that the team offer there. So we'd love to see you down at the show. We're at 4D20. Come on down, we'd love to give you some demonstrations. It'd be great to see you.